Scotty, you come back giggling. All of Patrick's parking brake cables that were filthy and rusty and crusty. Oh my God. The rust dissolver is
it's
a
amazing.
miracle tool.
Are those mine or somebody else?
No, those are his.
Oh no, that's right. They're for this one.
Yeah, those are Patrick's. That's why I
Yeah,
just said
so it'll
Patrick.
be just a
I
quickie.
just said Patrick. It's early, I know.
I barely had any coffee yet.
That's what's
So
wrong.
these are
I haven't
done.
had mine yet, either.
Oh, we have coffee if you want some.
I bet you do.
Always. Okay, U-bolts that we talked about in the video yesterday.
That were in the video, so they're proof.
Yeah, look at that. Those were honest to God rust orange yesterday.
Yeah, we actually had to beat them out with a hammer.
And look at them, they look brand new.
And those are mine?
Yep, these are for yours.
No, these are.
Oh, for this one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, these are all
And
T-bird.
yours
Sorry.
Yours are over there in your car. Yeah, these are. Holy crap! Look at that. Those look brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this stuff really is the best.
There it is. Cool. Little Patrick update. Nice.
There we go, guys.